Middle about 17.5, and PDF is 45. So this one means different powders depend on your process energy in 3D printing, in additive manufacturing. Okay. So powder size. So everybody thinking about the laser and the E-beam. E-beam the energy is more higher. It's a high power E-beam. It can melt in a lot of materials. So the powder should be big. If the powder is too small, the melting power inside, the scan power is very high. The melting is very quickly and not easy to control. So E-beam is used a big size, and laser beam is used small size. And here is a micro beam. Micro SLM. Okay. Everybody should be separate the welding, melting, sintering, brazing. It's a different process. Okay. The welding is a materials should be two kind of material. If you want to welding, these two materials should be melting. So melting is the top words, melting, everything is melting. Melting and the welding. Welding is related materials, A side and B side. The A, B side material should be melting together, mixing together, and finish. Then this one is called welding. Okay, and the sintering is different. Sintering is the basic powder, no melting. Just only the surface, or maybe some second phase is melting. We have a liquid phase sintering. We have solid state sintering. So sintering is the materials no melting, just keeping. So we can say that this two powder, the center side no sinking. Okay, this one is sintering. Okay, all is a uniform sinking, but they can keep the shape uniform to single. S way, Y way, and the Z way is same, almost the same, but just a little different. So sintering and melting is different. And the brazing, okay, brazing. What is brazing? Brazing is this is the basic material should be conjunction together. We just use the brazing, use a tin, use a silver or something. This we saw this one is brazing materials. Brazing materials will be melting, but basic materials no melting. So we call this one as brazing. Then the other one, brazing is high temperature. Another name is soldering. Soldering is low temperature. Low temperature is lower than 400 degrees C. So you just get easy to understand the soldering, brazing, sintering, and the melting and the welding. Okay, this is in English I think it's easy to understand, but in Chinese, many students cannot separate. Okay, the soldering, the brazing, the sintering, and then the melting, different. Okay. When you meet, for example, I just speak in Chinese. soldering 就是软焊，然后 brazing 就是硬焊，软硬焊是不一样的。然后烧结还有焊接这些名词都不一样，但是它都是某些材料会融化，某些才会不融，你要分辨。OK. So we just saw this one is a biochemical powder. Biochemical also is MAA. Okay, I just okay. I just talking next time if I have next week I have one class, last one. We just discussed some additive manufacturing technology. Just basically everybody can understand. It's easy. Okay. And this is maybe I call James come here. practice English, especially for your senior classmate. English not good. Well, you can speak very well, okay. And this is binder jetting is used to find powder. So this is fine powder will go outside. On this side is powder is more fine, this is rough, okay. Then NIM just overlay, a little overlay. So this one later is very interesting market. This means what? After 2020, the SLM, the metal AM, metal additive manufacturing powder, the cost is dropped down very fast because China make inside. Why? Because China make many rich people put the money in the metal AM industry. So the first one is how to make the powder. Because powder is a very good profile, profit, very good profit. So everybody added this manufacturing. Problem is many companies can make the same product. The price will be down. Yeah, because everybody can do and then easy, and the cost is lower than overseas the price. So after 2020, the China powder is go overseas everywhere cheaper, and this is good for industry improvement. Why? Because the cost lower, your process and the application and the requirement will be high. So remember, everything is low cost, big quality. Okay? So this is a different particle size. Just thinking this acid. Okay? Different particle size and separate. Then we can make a different process. This is okay. Then this is a micro. That's a micro A. And everybody know, if you want a part surface smooth, what kind of powder you have to use? Rough powder or fine powder? Which one? You want the surface very smooth and very shiny. Which one powder? Fine powder. Why? Because fine powder diameter is small and easy sinter quickly. But problem is the process when you use the fine powder, the flash force is very high, difficult to injection molding, difficult to form. So just remember, okay, small particle, the surface area will become big. Remember, last classes we just have three blocks: gray, yellow, and red blocks. Okay. Okay, so the powder is fine, the surface area will be increased, then the flash force is more big and not easy to form, but the surface is very beautiful. So this is difficult, but we can use the binder adjustment recipe, which can make a very good lubrication for process we can choose. Okay. Okay. So this one is 12 liters. Okay, we just watch this PC. Product as classification. Okay, this is James' profession. James is every time there's a discussion. If we want to make a product, the beginning is you should know this product belong appearance parts or just a function part, just a mechanical function part. If a mechanical function part, you don't need to take care of the appearance. In Apple product, everything is appearance part. This means you need to take more money. Why? Because we need to finish, make it beautiful. And everything should be color is the same. Okay. So this one. The first one, we just discussion product classification. Okay. This means we separate is only check the appearance and you need the dimension requirement. It's what dimensions, what range. Okay, so it's a discussion. This is a discussion on paper, and you can to make an analysis and the discussion. Then we can check the final price. It's very important. And the second is simulation. Okay, so this is modeling and simulation. Okay, we need to use the we will build up the parts of, for example, use poly. You know poly? You know? Poly? SolidWorks? Poly is more expensive. In China, in the world, the poly now is called poly. Now is called Korea something. Changing name. Korea. Just poly. Poly Autodesk， 这边有没有大学是机械的？大学是机械的，所以博弈跟那个都知道。可以啊，对不对？现在叫可以。对，那上面我的知道啊，会真做。Just show you. This is SolidWorks. We just right now receive SCP file. Okay, then we open. Okay. For example, this is a MIM path. We just receive the 2D drawing, the 3D drawing. This one is 3D drawing. Use the step or IGS profile. Then you input your software. We open this one. Then to check everything. If this one want to do the MIM process, what kind we need to make a note to check. Okay. For example, this one is very big. Watch is big, but really it's small. Okay, we just check it, it's a hole. Okay, here is a hole. Okay, then we check the dimensions. The radius 0.06. It means diameter is 1.2. It's difficult or not? It's difficult or not? Difficult, very difficult. Yeah, it's hard. Then you don't know the tolerance, no tolerance here. So you need the 2D dimensions to confirm the tolerance. You just say the tolerance only 0.003. My God, it's difficult. Okay, so this is why 3D modeling just only can for your reference, but finally you need to define a 2D drawing. Okay, so very important. So this is 3D. Okay. Okay, this is 2D dimensions. This one for building, also for parts in the same. And very important is we can write down the text inside, and we can tell you which one signal is for something. For example, this is a lot of 2D dimensions. We can make a dimension inside and the requirement of what kind inside. So you need to learn how to read the drawing. It's very important. So mechanical department, I think it's no problem, but material science, you should be learning. Yeah, it's very important. Okay. So after we got the 3D model, we can make the transfer into the modeling program. We can translate, make the tooling. Then make tooling, we can input the simulation. For example, the models 3D, for example, the MoFlow. They can analyze during material go inside the cavity. It will change what kind of materials, what kind of properties. So that's another. Just show you some drawing. For example, this is simulation program. Okay, simulation software for phone. Okay, this one is talking about the MIM block line problem analysis. Okay, so can you just check this one? I just show you. Okay. Just all the same, just talking about what is FIM process, and it's about the powder. I'm sorry, that's Chinese. And development problem, then is always how to make the solutions, for example. Then to do blah 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 blah. Materials. Talking about just quick. Okay, so this one is for like the DFM flowchart. Use the kit to analyze. That's a concept. Like the product, your product, join the product. After you join the product, we can make a tooling design. So this one is product, this one is tooling, and this one is tooling fabrication or tooling making, then to try. So we call this one T0, T01, T2, something. So it's from here to here. How many days you need to spend? If the money, we don't talking about money, we just talking about the schedule. You should be understand. The make the metal toolings at least needed about 2 weeks. No broken day, 2 weeks. If you included we just say okay, we just discard working day. In working day in China and America is different. In Europe, working day is 5 days? No, 4.5. 1 week just 4.5 days. In America it's 5 days. In China, you will write down we are 5 days, but really they have 7 days. Okay, then Dr. Q and James is 10 days, 1 week. What's mean? Overtime. Overtime for work. Every day. How many is 1 day? 8 for work. Yeah. In law is lawyer policy is right down. Every people is a working day is 1 day and per 8 hours. Am I right? So not including the broken time for lunch. So total is when you 8 to morning, the AM, 8 o'clock start. Then in fact, in PM 6 o'clock you should be off time. Go back home. Okay, really? It's really? No, impossible. Okay, so Apple just has a very special limitations. So our vendor is go work is 1 week is 5 days and work time is 8 hours. But we can allow it. We can allow the people can overtime 2 hours every day, and 1 week 1 day for overtime. So it's really time is 6 days and 10 hours. Every day is 10 hours. This is April, because but in China, I'm sorry, your boss will say, okay, this is a duty job. When you finish your job is finished, you can go home. When you finish your job is finished, okay? You should be understand feeling. It's not your feeling, it's boss feeling you are finished, okay? So, 血汗工厂怎么讲？叫什么？这个我也不会说。这是对understand 或者是血汗工厂。Okay, so in fact in Asia factory and the Asia office, we call this one. Okay, remember this one. This means you overtime, over and over. Okay, over and over, not only over. Okay, in Apple, the define over is only 2 hours, and over and over and over is okay. Work until tomorrow morning, and then continuous. So in our experience, over and over and over, this one is continuous again, keeping about 2 weeks to 3 weeks. Everybody should be put everything finished. Okay. So anyway, know this one. So the 台积电叫什么？ TSMC in Taiwan. Everybody just say, okay, this is good company. And the TSMC go to the American. The American people just say, oh, this is Taiwan. Sweet job. We never made this one company. Okay, And Taiwan people come to America, everybody is thinking, what? It's work, what is work? One day is 8 hours, only, it's very happy. Okay, so it's different concept. So everything is go to the Asia. If I go to the China, the price will be down, yeah, because people can work and work. I think in Indonesia is the same. Yeah, Indonesia and Philippines something. When the Asia work go out, everybody is overwork, overtime work. So you should be understand keeping your body healthy. Yeah. So every day should be sport, very important. Just don't like me. You know, I'm a sugar sick. Okay, this is sugar sick. You see, I need to put the 胰岛素。这是中文。Okay. So why this one? Because over time and no control. You eat something. It's not only the rice, drink, cake, something. Okay, you will die if you don't check it. Okay, you just watch. I stand here. It's very happy. Yeah, because I have this one. This one is very expensive and very trouble your life. So please, everybody, when you was young, you should be understand. Keeping sport very important, and keeping the rice, keeping the noodle, and keeping the cake away, please, very important. Okay. Anyway, this is the thing. People I think you should be take care. Keeping the sport. If you use the computer, that's only 2 hours. Then please stand up, walk, and go back. And now I keeping one day go 10,000 steps. 10,000 steps. Okay, you want to follow? Okay. Anyway, we needed a simulation to know when we design the tooling, go to Taiwan. We hope this cycle can shrink and need no more time. But finally, we find we need about 10, maybe over 10 times to again. Why? Because of the design, we see the defect. Why? Because we discussion lost. We have no experience. We have no good material choice. A lot of problem will go in your process. So the schedule will longer and longer and longer. But Apple company is very strong company. It can either SBE, supplier base engineering will join your work together, so you can understand. Yeah, and why shift, day shift you come here, then the night shift the other people will come. Again, your boss, your duty, project manager, you should be keeping touch and modify again. But in Apple is Asia people in day shift, and when he go to the sleeping, the night shift is switch to American people. Hey, come on, that's an internet call, discussion, modify again. So this one will be change and more short times. Okay, so we need a computer simulation to change this one, and we can make a simulation to understand which one we will make a problem. And so finally we can go into the next question. Okay, this is the next question. Okay, anyway. Okay, so we use the simulation when the feedstock melting and go inside injection the tooling, we can understand what kind of direction in flow and the feeding is very important. Okay, so the software can help you. Okay, this is for notebook, and the others we can. This one is when we finish, we find that this one is problem is no feeding completed. What's problem? Means or maybe the material is not good, the temperature is too low, something. It will give you suggestion and simulation for you if your condition, injection condition not good. If your material choice no good, choice wrong, you will meet this problem. Then we can tell you how to make a solution. Okay? So this is simulation. Another information for you. Okay, for example, this one is waiting lines. What is waiting lines? Means after injection we can find materials, same materials but with a line here. This means two flow materials conjunction together. It's becoming cold. Then mixing together cannot. Mixing together cannot mix. Just separate. So it's like a line. Then how to make a solution? It's just only problem here. Okay. So it's just in Chinese. Maybe you can get a good friend. Everybody can discuss it. Or you can use translator AI, no problem with translator. Okay? Okay, so after the system or something is so broken, yeah, because this one is confusion together. We're thinking about this one is unibody. Okay. Okay, everybody can know what is unibody. What is unibody? It means every materials can flow to fixed point and solidation. Then this one is a unibody. Yeah. So no broken, no gap, no something. Everybody thinking about if a part can make the unibody, the strength is much better. Everybody thinking this one is like this. Okay. Okay, this is another problem. So this software can let you simulation and know where present waiting line. So after the analysis, okay, it will tell you where is the waiting line or something. Okay, anyway, this one I just leave in PPT. Everybody can check it. Okay, let's talking about this one. Sure. So the simulations use the computer science help you to make the process solution. Okay, make the just a simulation process where will make the defect and how to make solution. Change the process parameter, for example, the injection molding, temperature, for injection molding, the pressure, or material change, something. Okay, then the number 3 is quality control. Okay, QD is quality control. We need a discussion what? We need a discussion of dimension. We need a discussion of tolerance is good or not good. Sometimes, for example, okay, this is a dimension. Alright? Okay, so
A, B, C. Okay. Again, which one need to pay more money? Lady, which one? You need to pay more money. Why? Small, very tight. Yeah, difficult to approach. But this one, if you put in the airplane, I think it's no problem. So the high price. Just remember last time my classmate come here, my old tech class, he's make the airplane repair and maintenance. Okay, every part, even the hours is approach, but no broken. Exchange. That's why. Okay, so you need the tolerance. The part price will be depend on tolerance, and what kind of machine can do this tolerance. Okay, if this one, we just turn the machine, we don't need the grounding. If this one, oh, maybe I change more good machine. And if you go to this one, oh my God, you not only machine, you need the grounding, and the grounding the circuits should be keeping the shape is very correction. So problem here. And not only this one, maybe okay. Maybe your requirement is okay. AV close station need to follow this one. Oh my God, need to pay a lot of money. Okay, so remember. So here we just talking about the quality design. It means we're talking about your drawing from customer, and the drawing dimension is a tolerance, is a requirement. We can do or not. If you say, oh, everything is okay, my God, and finally you cannot approach, you need to pay more for your customer. Why? Because you say okay. So our company, also Google, they will come to your supply chain to discussion with you and just check what's your DFA. Come on, give me your DFA. How to approach my quality requirement. You how to do. So we just go to the DFA. What is DFA? Okay, this is 2D dimension. Okay, 2D dimension. Without a lot of circle, this quality requirement. We call it FAI. First article inspection. You should be report this one. Okay, then this one is FAI spec. So there's a lot of spec inside. For example, okay, it's a 2D drawing. How to make this one? Okay, this one is like here is a coating surface or something. And this is a whole idea. This is just for study. And the color and color finish material and finish. Okay, we just this is the initial design. Then white out coating. How to do this white color coating, and how to do the mixture metal parts, copper or something. Okay, this is DFA. So you just design talking about this way is aluminum, line sorry, aluminum outside or the other side. Then this one is copper, so this is separate. We can use the stainless replace. Okay, you should be right down. You were thinking about and talking about this one for your customer R&D, for customer sales department. Then you will discussing in their meeting. Maybe somebody will go aside discussion with you. For this one, you can do. You should be commitment. You can do. How many pieces every day you can do? Fit my requirement. Well, yeah, because in my recall, remember, lightning connector, we need to do 1 day, 1 million pieces by MIM. Then at the final, the first one, 1 day is doing 10 million pieces 1 day. My God, how to control this one? So you should understand. Okay, this is DMM. Okay. Check it again, you have a different. Remember, it's a very beautiful thing. Okay, this is a 2D dimensions. Okay, so it's colors. And then you see, just remember the FAI first article means Beijing, and this is SPT. SPT is a physical control of the quality way. Okay. Now, last time we were discussing this one. You know this one? Web. Okay, MI can do another web. Yeah. It's really okay, this one is digital. Okay, this one is mini. Before it's 4G and very expensive. So in America they switch to MIM process. My God, this one can do it. Okay. People will be interested. But don't do this one in China and Taiwan. You will go to anyway, next week we'll just take some sample for you, okay? We'll just go back this one, okay? So this one, we call this one, part one is design on paper. We just do anything done for production. We just discussion. But when you discussion, just show your ability. It should be show the ability for the customer, salesman come here, engineering come here, and R&D people discussion with you. We just talking about your drawing is a problem. This one is I cannot approach, and how to modify. I can make this one, and he will asking you, please prove. You just make a proof for me, and I will list the database something. For example, before project also, or for your before experience, just list on side. Then we'll discussion again and again. Maybe you will say, okay, I'll give you the order, and then we try to do. Okay, got the first order for try. Then we finally purpose is got the order, real order. Yeah, over the mini, over the 10 mini, 1 billion is better. Yeah, it is means that you can get money. Okay.
Okay, so this one, first stage is classification and modeling and simulation and prototype design. Okay, means first one. In first one, you need to make the DFM for your customer. Again. DFM will change the budget. One budget is should be from you, then go back to R&D engineering of your customer. Then they will sign. They say okay or not, then we will discuss it again. And then finally, we make it send. Okay, this is final by email or something. We just follow this DM to do everything. Okay, this one is start. When you start, okay, then in MI task we just first choice the powder after your DFM situation. The powder and make it a free flow. So this one is a powder selection. Okay, and this one is free flow making and wing part forming. Okay, this one is for injection. So this first stage is for forming from raw material to wing part. We just get the wing part. Okay, so this one is second stage. Okay. Then the third stage, heat treatment. Okay, so please remember, sintering demanding all its heat treatment. Why? Because we use the control temperature, we control the autonomous surface, we control the everything for solid these parts. Okay. So this one is arrangement. So this arrangement and the set installation. Okay. Then this one is optimizing. Yeah. When you pick up piece, put down, it's very important. Yeah. Put and what kind of dimension you need to keep it. Get the gas flow can go out and go in. Okay. Then this one is dividing. Dividing is we just use thermal and some kind of surface to divide the binder. We just remove the binder from the part. Okay. Then after this one, we just go into the high temperature system. Okay. Always for heat treatments. For heat treatments and get a good parts. Okay. Before sintering, this parts will be weak. So you just take it. And finally is the final. This one is a post-treatment. For example, you need this part is very shiny. You need the grounding. You need the gold color. You need the plating. You get something. So this is because of secondary process. Okay. So this is a post-treatment. What kind of post-treatment requirement? And how to make the auto control? Auto control in where? In everywhere. This one in auto control. This one in auto control. But this one, maybe in the future, the AI can help us to make the auto control your process. Everything is just the right time, and you can make a PPT PowerPoint presentation file for you. We hope. But in fact, this one is need a lot of people to make. So you will, in here, every classmate, you will jump in the future. Yeah, this one is easy. This one is should be cannot by AI. It's by people concept. Okay. Then maintain. How to maintain equipment is very important. So we just separate 12 levels, and during the process, this one is more important because most of people think about this is not important, but this one is much important. Because after here, the parts should be sealed, can make money compared. So you need to do everything very well. So this one is called system. So this is the first just talking about first. Okay, so just changing. Okay, this is we call this one is a Starbucks. Part one. Okay, so part one we need the classification, we need the modeling and the selection, we need the
just like I show you a lot of 2D drawing. I just show you the 3D model. Then you can take this one, go to simulation. Interesting is some customer only give you a pass. A pass is somebody make a pass. He just give you, hey, Tim, please, I need this one. In a June, 1 day, 1 mini piece. Oh, can you happy? Can you happy? No, I will. Please, write down contract. No contract, no work. Okay, why? You need a contract. Money is from contract. You just say, okay, please do the 1 minute. The June 1, I will bring back. I will give you money.